If you like this video, make sure to visit our Vimeo page and follow us to get the latest update.
Today we are going to see some more models. Okay, right.
Design
Okay, this is the model. Right? When the project size
is a model.
Yes, another model, third model. So when the project size is large and user requirements are variable, then the organization can be chosen this particular model. Again, I'm repeating.
Okay.
You listen to me.
Okay, I'm listening carefully.
Yes, when the project size is large and the user requirements are variable, then the organization can choose this particular model, iterative model. Iterative and incremental model. What it is? Iterative and incremental model. So I'll give you one general example. To know the necessary to implement this particular model. I'll give you one general example to know the necessary to use this particular model.
Okay.
If suppose you want to start a company, from 2022. You want to start a company from 2022, right? So you require, for your business.
Okay.
You have some requirements or not? You require software or not?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Software.
Yes, we require requirement. Yes.
For that, you came to my company. You're asking me to develop your software. You're asking me to develop your software. You have given me, 100 requirements. You have given me 100 requirements.
Yes.
By seeing your requirements, by analyzing your requirements, I have given you 10 years time to start, or 10 years time to complete your project. How much time I have given you? 10 years time.
Say again?
By seeing your requirements, I have given you 10 years time to complete your project.
Okay.
So now this is 2021, right? So 10 years in the sense you have to wait up to 2031 to start your project. You have to wait up to 2031. You have to start your business, correct?
Okay, correct. Prototype, yes, prototype.
Then your business will become very old business. Then your business will become very, very old business. Why? Because so the people who are expecting the requirements now, definitely they may not expect in 2020, in 2031, because people's style of living is going to be changed. Taste is going to be changed. Thought process is going to be changed. Agreed or not? Mind is going to be changed.
31. Yes. Yes.
That project will not be useful for you, right? Now in 2021,
yes, the project that we use 30 requirements, yes.
2021, you have given me the requirements. In 2031, I have given you the project. Then there is no use for that project, because people's style of living is going to be changed. People's thought process is going to be changed. If suppose in 2021, I completed film shoot, if suppose film shoot for us, a movie, okay. In 2031,
Okay.
they released. They released in 2031.
31 at least.
Then
Okay,
definitely
31 and at least.
That movie will get flop or not.
We will get.
That movie will get flop or not.
I understand. I don't understand. We will get 30 requirement or at least. Can you say again slowly, little bit, please, for me?
See, 2021, a movie shooting started.
We will shoot.
Yes, started movie.
Okay, yes. We started. Okay, yes, I understand.
They finished in 2031.
We finished it 2021.
No, 2021 started. 2031.
2021 started.
2031 they will be finished. Yeah, 2031 they will be finished.
Okay.
Then they released the movie in 2031. A simple concept here. They started in 2021. They will be released in 2031. Very simple concept here. There is no rocket science.
Okay, very simple. Simple, yes.
Yeah, 2031 they released.
Okay, I understand. Sometimes.
Okay. Yeah, coming to the point.
Okay.
The simple point I'm telling you, past 15 minutes, the shooting, started, movie shooting started in 2021. 2031, they will be released. They will be finished, they will be released. So 10 years gap exists, right? 2021 to 31, how many years? 10 years gap is there. So if you do like that, your movie is going to be utter flop. Why? Because
yes.
In these 10 years, people taste may change, right? There are some love movies came, and there are some fractions, there are some police movies, there are some family movies will be there, comedy movies will be there. Trend is going to be changed or not, year by year. Trend is going to be changed or not, year by year. Okay?
Yes. 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 You correct. Yes. Yeah.
So here also, you have given me your requirements in 2021 to start your business requirements. You have given me in 2021. I have given you your project. I have released your project in 2031. Okay.
Okay.
So then
We're finished
definitely
3031. Yes.
Your business will become old business. Your business will become very old business. In that way, people will feel on your business. So to avoid, is there any communication gap or not? Yes, there is a communication gap between your product to
communication. Yes.
Between your product to customer. There is some communication gap. To avoid this gap only, we have given you iterative and incremental model, or else you can say iterative and incremental model. Iterative or iterative, anyone and all will be the same. Iterative and incremental model, or you can say iterative and incremental model. You got this point, my dear Jugo?
Okay.
Iterative you can say, or else iterative also you can say. One and all will be the same.
Okay, it is the same project RIRT. Okay, version. Okay, here we can complete
Iterative, you
enterprise.
can say iterative, you can pronounce, or you can say iterative. Iterative or iterative, one and all will be the same, an incremental model. How exactly you will get the benefit in this model? If suppose you have given me 100 requirements in 2021, in that 30 requirements, I'll be finished in 2023. But in 2025, I will complete more 30 requirements. In 2025, I will complete more 30 requirements. In 2028, I'll complete more requirements. Like that, step by step, step by step.
Step by step. Okay.
Step by step, I can perform.
Okay.
Is this called iterative or not? Performing the activity step by step is called iterative or not? Madam Dugo, what is iterative? Step by step.
Iterative.
Yes.
Step by step.
Yeah, if you perform the testing or if you perform, the project is called iterative or not? Iterative or iterative? Anything is okay. Don't be think.
Yes.
Iterative and
yes, right.
incremental.
Iterative. Yes. Yes.
See this. Here, user can implement. So summary of this diagram is user can implement your project step by step. Okay, step by step user can implement your project.
Okay.
Means module by module. So with respect to module, if we will complete entire project is called iterative testing. The technical definition is here we can complete the project. We can complete the project with respect to module. Module, nothing but a small piece.
Model, yes.
Not model, module.
Model, you have small piece, a model. Yes, small models. Yeah,
Now you can see the notepad.
Oh, okay, I see.
So here we can implement entire project with respect to module.
Model, yeah. We can implement entire project.
Okay.
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 I have a question. The project R and T. What's mean? Can you say again? Project WRT.
That's what entire project. We can develop pieces wise. Yeah, I'll tell you. I have not explained you clearly.
Pieces
Just I
model.
give you definition.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
You explain. Yeah, explain to me. I have for Hello. Oh, okay.
Is this visible? My screen is to go.
Open now.
Okay. So I have given you one statement, right? Here is the place to complete entire project with respect to module I have given you, right? Now I'm going to explain. You don't worry. Okay, now I'm going to explain. See this.
Okay.
XYZ means, you can say the project name is XYZ. Okay, you go.
Okay.
So you have given me 100,000, 100 requirements, if suppose.
100. That's my project. 100 requirements.
Yes.
Okay.
1 to 100, I can take. How many modules here I have divided. X is one module, Y is one module, Z is one module. How many modules I have given?
Yeah, 3 models over there.
3 models. What are they? X, Y, Z.
Z. Okay.
Yeah. X, Y, Z is the project. In this, multiple modules are there. X module, Y module, Z module. Okay?
Okay.
1 minute. Hey, Digo, you go.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm here.
yeah, your project name is XYZ. Here X is one module,
Okay.
Y is another module, and Z is another module, right? So,
Okay.
your project, you have 100 requirements. Out of 100, 30 requirements we have given to X, and 30 requirements we have given to Y, and 40 requirements we have given to Z. So see how they finished the X module. They implemented here. A means analysis, D means designing, C means coding, T means testing, yeah, user means maintenance. To complete your module, we have to
Maintenance,
implement
okay.
SDLC only, right? SDLC. We discussed in the previous
SDLC,
sessions.
yes.
Yes, we discussed. So to complete Y, for your 30 requirements, we have to implement this SDLC. To complete Z for 40 requirements, also we have to implement this SDLC. Okay, this is the process of SDLC. This is the process of iterative. And where is increment? See this line. Please see this line. Two parallel lines between X and Y. Have you observed or not? Have you observed or not?
The line?
Yeah,
two line.
Between X and Y,
Yeah.
I have given you two parallel lines.
This was X. Okay.
Between X and Y, I have given two parallel lines. Between X and Y, I have given two parallel lines. See this.
Why you give it?
Yeah, I will tell you. Just I'm asking you to observe. I have not explained you.
Yes, I understand, but other X and Y, between Y, the line over there, I see. I don't understand question. Can you say again question?
No, I have not given you any question. No.
Okay.
I have not given you any question. So between X and Y, between X and Y, I have given two parallel lines. Did you observe or not? That's it.
Okay.
And between Y and Z, again another, two parallel lines I have given you. Why I have given you these parallel lines? I'll tell you. Nothing but incremental. Incremental in the sense, okay, X module we have completed successfully. Okay. Digo, X module we have completed successfully. Okay.
Okay.
We released in the market. We released into the market. We released to the client. Then clients may use our X module or not.
Yes, we using X model.
By using X module by the clients, they may expect some new features or not.
Yes.
They may expect some new features or not. Those new features will be added during the Y module. Will be added to the Y module.
Y module, okay.
Yeah, new features found by the customers by using X module will be added into Y. That is what incremental. So the model name is iterative and incremental. What is iterative? Iterative in the sense module-wise development is iterative. What is incremental? Yes, while using X module by the customers, if they will found any new requirements, they wanted to add as a new requirements, will be finished, will be completed with the Y module, in the Y module. Okay. That's fine. And one fine morning, we released Y module in the market. Okay. After some time, after some years, after some months, we released Y module into the market. Right.
Okay.
Using Y module, using Y module, your clients may expect some more requirements somewhere into the project. So those requirements will be added into Z module. Yeah, you understand the whole concept, right? Here we can implement the project with respect to module. That's all. Module to
Yes.
module, we may add the requirements, we may delete the requirements, we may modify the requirements. Anything may be happen. That is what incremental. So to show that relation. So why these parallel lines between X and Y, I have given two parallel lines, and Y and Z, I have given two parallel lines. Why I have given to integrate X with Y, to integrate Y with Z. Okay.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
you observed 15 years back, you was you understood, you have seen ATM mission, right? ATM mission.
Okay, ATM mission. Okay.
Yeah, you take 15 years back, they have given the ATM, right? They started ATM services 15 years or 20 years back. Okay.
Okay.
20 years back, 15 years back, they started ATMs for us, banks, different banks. Okay. So when they've started ATM 15 or 20 years back, they have given you only withdrawal option, right? Withdrawal option,
Okay, right.
right? After few years, they have also added, withdrawal option, right? Withdrawal, sorry, deposit option, deposit.
Deposit. Okay. Deposit
If at all you
option.
want to
Okay.
deposit, you don't to visit the branch, you just visit the ATM. That's all. And after some years, they have also added mini statement module. If at all you want to take the statement of your bank, you can directly, you can. That's it. So they know
Okay.
to develop all the features, it takes 20 years. Have they waited for 20 years? Madam Dugo, they know all these things when they started 20 years back. They know it takes 20 years to add all these features. But the question is,
Okay.
have they waited for 20 years? No, they have not waited.
No.
They have not waited. They started module by module, they incorporated, they jointed module by module, X to Y, Y to Z. They jointed. Correct.
Okay. Correct.
That is what iterative. The overall summary is in simple short. Here is the place to develop your project with respect to modules. Okay.
Models. Okay.
Now we'll find some advantages.
Advantages. Okay.
Read it.
You
You
say
read it.
again?
Advantage. Yeah. You read it.
Read it. Advantages.
Read it. Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry. It allows change from the user in analysis stage. User can have the review facility. Disadvantages. It is the time-consuming model. It doesn't support for the large project.
No, stop there. Stop. Please stop.
Okay.
I asked you to understand advantages only. So you have read 2 points, right? It allows changes from the user in analysis stage. Is this true or not? I'm sorry.
Yes, right.
Sorry. You just read these advantages. You just read one to one by one.
Yes.
Read it.
Okay. Very easy to maintain the project. Suitable for large project. Allow change in the middle of the process. User
Yes.
can have the review facility at the end of the every model.
Stop.
This advantages.
Stop.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, correct. So, you studied very well, but I asked you to
Okay.
study only advantages. After advantages, again, I'll ask you to study disadvantages. Okay. The first one, what you said, very easy to maintain the project. Agreed or not? Agreed.
Yes, I agree. Yeah. Very
Yeah.
easy. Yeah.
Though it takes 30 years time, the client no need to wait for 30 years to start your business. First, we will give you some time. We will give you the project. We will develop the module. With that module, you can do your business. And after sometimes,
Okay.
we will give another module by taking remaining requirements, and then we are going to release. And you can do your business like that. You don't need to wait for my proposed time. The whole concept is
Yes.
you no need to wait for my proposal time. Meanwhile, I'll release some modules, module wise we can perform. That's it. Second one, suitable for large projects. Agreed or not? Madam, do you go agreed or not? Do you agree or not?
Suitable for no suitable for large project. Yeah. No. No.
Why no? Why no?
Small project. We use in the small project models.
See, 20 years
Yes.
it takes one project in the sense, is this large or small?
Say again.
20 years it takes one project. Is this large project or small project?
A large project. Yeah.
The
20
large
years.
project we are going to break into small modules. But overall purpose is we can encounter the large project or not.
Large project or not? You asking me
Okay, it's
now.
suitable for large projects. You must agree for that. It's suitable for large projects. Okay.
Okay.
Why? Because module wise we are testing. So module wise we are testing so that it supports for large projects also. Why? Because though it takes 20 years time, you don't need to wait for 20 years. You don't need to wait for 20 years. Module by module we are releasing. In that way we can, our model supports for large projects. Very simple. Third one, allows changes in the middle of the process. Allows changes in the middle of the process. Yes. See,
Yes.
X model we have released to your clients. While using X model, they may expect some new requirements or not. They may expect some new requirements or not. Do you go?
Say again.
X model we released.
X model we list. Yeah.
Is there any chance to expect new requirements? They may expect some new requirements or not.
No. New requirement?
They may expect or not.
No.
By that product.
I
Okay.
I don't know. I'm thinking. I'm sorry.
No, nothing is there to think. Nothing is there to think. Just it is, customer sense we required. If suppose you purchased one dress. You purchased one dress 15 years back. When you purchased 15 years back, you purchased one dress. Okay.
Okay.
So, did you like the same dress now also? It become old design, right? Old fashion.
Yes.
15 years back, you purchased one dress. Okay.
Okay.
At that time, that was very fashionable. But now it is 2020. After 15 years, did you like the same dress again? It will become old, right? That's okay. Okay. So you can take my recordings multiple times, you can listen. So you will come to know what I'm trying to say is, okay, the first one, the first advantage is it's very easy to maintain. The second
Yes.
advantage will be suitable for large projects. The third, all our advantages we are telling, there is no part here, no, only all SS. All our advantages we are studying. Allows changes in the middle of the process. So though we are into Y model, though we are into Z model, if the client asks us to make any changes, the client asks us to make any changes, the process allows, right? See here the diagram. So X model we have completed and we released. While using X model, the client is expecting some requirements which we can cover from Y model. Now if suppose we are into Z model, why the client expected any new requirements from Y module, we can also cover into the Z module. Like that, we have some advantage. It allows changes in the middle of the process, and here user can have the review facility. At the end of the every module. Yes, I finished X module, I released. So if something goes wrong from the X module, will be corrected into Y module. If something goes wrong from Y module, corrected into Z module. Like that, review, module wise review we can perform. Module wise review we can perform. Simple. And we have some drawbacks also. See the drawbacks. What is the first drawback? It is the time consuming model. Yes, it is the time consuming model. Second one will be time taking model. Time consuming model in the sense time taking model. Second one will be costly to implement, very costly to implement.
Okay.
First one will be, it is a time consuming model. Second one will be costly to implement ultimately. Yeah. The next model, we'll go for the next model. This PPT done. We'll go for the next model. 1 minute.
Next model. Okay.
Is this visible? My screen is?
Yes.
What is there in the screen?
Just your name. I see just your name.
Yeah. So far we have completed waterfall model, prototype model, fish model, iterative and incremental model. Iterative and incremental
Fish model. Yes.
Yeah, 3 models we have completed, Jugo, so far. Okay. Just now we entered into the 4th model. Just now we entered into the 4th model. Okay.
Fish model.
So, yeah, fish model. You're right, absolutely. Fish model, this is also one kind of model. Hey, don't think that every company will go with all the models. To go different companies, they may go with the different models to go.
Oh, they use, okay, I understand.
Yeah, I'm repeating again. Don't think that every company will go with all the models. Different companies, they may go with the different models. This is what we need to understand. Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes.
I'm working chocolate factory. What they use models? Do you have any idea?
Yeah. Nowadays, everyone is using Agile model only.
Yeah, chocolate factories. They
No, I don't have any idea. I don't have any idea about. No, I don't have any idea about that company. But usually,
I want to work. Chocolate factories is good job for me. Yeah, I'm thinking like that. I hope so. I hope.
Yes. Hope your hope will be success.
I hope, yes. Thank you.
But Agile model they will use, Agile.
Uh-huh.
I will cover that Agile model tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, yes. So this is what I'm trying to say is we starts from analysis, okay? Analysis here.
Analysis, yes.
What is the output for analysis? SRS is the output, correct or not?
Yeah.
System requirement specifications.
Yes.
Here user can have the review.
System
Whatever
requirements specifications.
Yeah. Already we discussed in SDLC.
Okay.
Demo also I've given the same, right? So SRS nothing but system requirement specification. The moment when we prepared SRS, we are giving the same to customer for review purpose. If suppose you are my customer, okay?
Okay.
You're asking me to develop one project, right?
Mm-hmm.
I prepared the requirements and I'm giving it to you. I'm asking you to review. Hey, Jugo, this is your SRS. Please review. Let me know if any changes. Just I'm asking you.
Okay.
So that is called review.
Review, yeah.
You got my point, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Next, designing.
Designing.
Yeah, LLD, HLD already we discussed. I have written in the note and I have told you previously. LLD, HLD, I prepared and I'm giving you. Hey, Dugo, please review the prototype. Okay, I'm asking you.
Okay.
Next, coding.
Coding, yes.
Coding. Yeah, after writing the coding, right, our developers will perform the white box testing. You don't know about white box testing. Hey, just later on I'll explain you when the time will comes.
Okay.
Just I have written white box, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't think for white box because I have not explained you. Later on in other topics you will get. We will cover that. Okay?
Okay.
We will cover that in other topics, not now. Right. So system testing. System testing, nothing but what exactly test engineer can test is called system testing.
Mm-hmm.
What exactly test engineer?
Test engineer.
Yes, doing the testing. Hey, as a test engineer, what exactly we are doing? That is what black box testing.
Black box testing.
Black box testing.
Okay.
Hey, black box testing done by test engineers. White box testing, see here, white.
White box testing.
White box testing done by developers.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Very, very important question. Who performs the white box testing? Yes, test engineer. Who performs the white box testing? Yes, developers.
Okay.
Yeah. So then maintenance here, software changes, any software changes required. Then maintenance will be done. So this is what fish model. So the simple concept is every stage, see,
yes,
analysis, design, coding, testing, maintenance, in every stage are after completion of every stage, we can have the review, agreed or not.
Yes.
At every stage we have the review. That is the advantage of this model. Okay, some advantages we will see. See, stage by stage project quality will be improved or not. Review facility is there or not? Hey, first you answer my question.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I see.
Review, exactly. Review facility is there, right? Here review facility is there or not? Review. Review facility is there or not?
Say review here, yeah. Design, analysis, design.
No, you don't go away. Don't go away. What I'm asking, just concentrate. Review facility is there or not?
Review feasibility.
Okay, leave it. So there is a review facility. Because of that review facility,
Yes.
stage by stage project quality will be improved. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And then suitable for the large projects. Yes, this model also suitable for all
Yes.
large projects. And allows changes with respect to stages. Yes. There is a problem in analysis.
Yes.
We can cover into design. There is a problem in coding. We can cover into testing. There is a problem in testing. We can cover into maintenance. All are advantages. Now disadvantages. Also time consuming because it takes much time.
Yeah.
Because we have to complete one module. We have to complete one stage.
Okay.
And then we have to complete one stage, and then they have to review. Okay, we have to complete one stage, then they have to review. It takes much time. So
It
it's
takes
also
much
time
time.
consuming.
Yes.
Time consuming, nothing but takes much time. Okay.
Consuming. Yeah.
Right.
Takes
Yes.
much time. Yeah. And then it's expensive implementing.
Yeah. Costly to implement.
Yeah, expensive. So sometimes. Yeah.
Hey, do you know why it is costly to implement, Hugo? I'll tell you. You don't think.
Okay.
It is costly to implement. Why? I'm telling you. You don't think. Right. So, if suppose we have finished analysis, we have completed analysis. Okay. So you will get one output or not? Will you get one output or not?
Will you get or not?
I'm asking you a question, man.
Yeah, you're asking me.
So from analysis, will you get one output or not?
Analysis?
See, from analysis, will you get the output or not?
Output or not?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Output or not? Yes.
Yes, you will get.
Yes,
SRS is the output, right?
Huh?
SRS is the output for analysis, right?
Yes.
Then
SRS, yes.
That is the output, right?
Yes. Yes. Input. Yeah.
So what I'm trying to say is, so why it is costly to implement? The moment when we get output, immediately we have to go for review. Other team has to review that output. So obviously organization has to pay some amount to them. So it takes much time. It takes budget.
Yes. Yes.
You suppose Anil prepared SRS from analysis. Now Jugo is review that SRS. How Anil prepared to understand Jugo is going to verify that requirement. Is this correct or not? Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
This is fish model. Don't worry, listen my sessions multiple times, whenever you are unable to understand somewhere.
Okay.
Again, we'll meet in the next week. Okay, bye.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to visit our Vimeo page and follow for more upcoming videos.